What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Capital Powerhouse. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Capital Powerhouse official website and the launch of our website, capitalpowerhouse.org. So, this is the beta version, and we may add a couple more things to it, but this is what the official website will look like without the additions to it. We may add a couple videos on a couple pages and things like that, but it'll just be minor details that we will add on and change along the way. But as you guys see, this is the home page. Nice Capital Powerhouse logo right there. But as we scroll down, we get into what is Capital Powerhouse. So first and foremost, welcome to Capital Powerhouse. Capital Powerhouse is a program created by me, Cedric Owens, to help others learn the ins and outs of building assets and breaking down the necessary tools you will need to be successful. We will be introducing many different assets such as trading, hosting Airbnbs, and leasing properties, wholesaling, digital real estate, and logistics. We are very excited for what our future holds, and we can't wait to see you tag along and succeed as well. So those are just a couple of things that we do plan on adding on, but we're not going to put a time limit on it or a date on it. That will come as time goes on. We're going to start off with trading, as most of you guys have seen already, and we're going to add those along as well, because those are assets that not only myself intend on learning about and starting eventually, but other people that I do business with as well, and hopefully we can all join in together and share our knowledge with you guys. So as we scroll down, we get this quote right here: start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. And I love this quote because I know the type of person I am. I try to obtain things that I'm not necessarily ready for. I try to do everything in my power sometimes, and sometimes I feel like it's not good enough, but we can only do what we can. We can only do what we can at the moment, and start where you are. I've been in many different positions in my life. I've had really high highs and really low lows. And once you experience really high highs, especially let's say for trading, for instance, you've been at a high in your account and things like that, and let's say you don't have enough money to fund up again to get to the high. You only have $100 or $500 or maybe even $1,000 to fund up, and you're trying to get back to where you previously were, and it's like, look, you can't rush that process. I know it was nice having that much money in your trading account, but start where you are. If you have to restart, then just restart. Use what money you do have and do what you can to build that account back up. So as we scroll down more, you guys will see a couple of our logos here as well, and you guys will see what all these are for once you go to the about. So let's go all the way to the beginning of our classes that we do plan on offering. Again, we're going to offer trading, digital real estate, Airbnb leasing, trucking, and wholesale real estate, which are all businesses that we are looking forward to bringing into our program. And some of them, this is not the order that I'm saying they're going to come in, but some may come before the other. So we're just going to see how everything plays out, but I know for sure that we are going to have details on all of these and have knowledge on them to work with, spread it to other people, and allow them to learn about it as well. So first thing first, let's get into trading, which is our first program that we are offering on our platform. So Capital Powerhouse Trading. So first introducing Capital Powerhouse Trading. From my experience as a trader, I understand it is very difficult to learn Forex. It is. I mean, if you have tried learning it before, you already understand how hard it is. And also knowing where to start. Not only is it hard knowing where to start, it's hard to weave out the useful information that will actually make you profitable. And I remember myself, I eventually, well, when I first got into it, I tried to learn from YouTube. And it was a lot of videos that we used to watch, me and my friends that I trade with now. We used to look into a lot of videos, and I can tell you right now, like some of those videos I do not apply at all, or necessarily need to apply. Let me say that. So it's very hard to know what's useful and what's not useful when you first getting into something new, especially trading. So that is where Capital Powerhouse comes in, where we will teach you from the basics to the advanced techniques and from technical to fundamental analysis. We are not selling you a strategy. This is not what this program is about. We're strictly teaching you how to react to the market and understand how to read it. So I always say the best strategy is trading the market. It's a market strategy, not no indicator or anything like that. It's not based on indicators. It's based off of how the market moves. So that's the best strategy that you can trade, especially with Forex, binary options, anything really. So that's what our program is really about. And we do have a couple of guidelines and rules and what we will provide. So a couple things that we will provide with this is learn how to trade binary options and Forex. Videos going in deeper detail on every point of market structure from basics to advanced mindset videos. How to manage your accounts, one-on-one sessions, access to a Telegram chat, live group Zoom calls where we will hop on together, analyze the charts and things of that nature. And also resources, websites that can help you and gives you an advantage in the market. So those are a couple things that we will provide and tell you guys how to navigate through that. And once you hit join now, it will take you to our payment screen. So for our trading program, the initial charge is $50. That is a one-time payment for when you first sign up, and then the monthly payment will then be $30 a month. So you will be able to cancel from that subscription after 1 month in the program. And this is where you will fill in your information. Now, one thing that is very, very, very important is not only filling in your email, but also putting your Telegram name, so therefore you can be added to the group chat. You do not want to miss out on anything that we drop when we add new videos to our program, or when we introduce new things to our program and stuff like that. You do not want to miss out on any of those things. So it's very important that you do drop your Telegram name, so therefore we can add you. And what is included in this program? What's included once I pay for this subscription, and what will I get out of it? Well, you will get a lot out of it, especially if you're a beginner trader. So we start from the basics and we go all the way to the advanced profitable techniques, such as using the Fibonacci. But from the basics, we start with candlestick Bible, and we also go through the basics of how to count pips, how to manage your lot sizes with your account, and things of that nature. So we will then advance into, support and resistance, supply and demand, trend lines, price action, structure, how to trade zone to zone, divergence, all things like that. And we even teach you how to hedge out of a trade. So a lot of people take bad trades and do not know how to exit out of it. There's two ways that you can exit out of a bad trade that I use, that I really like. It's hedging, and the second one is waiting for the retracement if it breaks structure, so therefore you can get a break even. But those are some of the things that we will teach in this course, and these are all the videos that you guys can go through and watch yourselves, and that is what we're offering with this program. Now, of course, we're going to add a lot more videos to this program to help you guys become more and more profitable by the day. There's so much knowledge in trading, so many different ways to trade, that we must give it to you guys. So definitely be on the lookout for more videos to drop, and that's why it's important to join the Telegram chat. But thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you join our program. I'm gonna see you guys at the top.